So hi everybody, here I am with the next update. It's been almost a week, actually it's been more than a week since my last update. Uh, so I have 3.5 weeks after surgery roughly. Uh, Definitely kind of not happy, not completely bad. Uh, yeah, I was hoping that I would be much further with my recovery by now. I'm not. The leg, I think the knee and the thigh are still swelling a lot. Essentially, the first thing in the morning, the leg is great, but throughout the day, it just swells a lot. And the swelling itself is not a big problem, but when the leg and the knee swells, it essentially locks the knee in place. I cannot move it at all. So the way how I got around it is I do lots of the exercises, at least the first couple, instead of supine, mean lying down, I do them elevated. So I put my leg on top of a little stool and do the exercises there. So I'll show you at the exercise video. And so the swelling, really, that's the worst thing right now. The pain is not so bad. Uh, I don't take any more pain medications. Just for the night, I take 2 Tylenols just to, you know, have the leg hurt a little less. I mean, it hurts throughout the day, but it's not too bad. Uh, the range of motion is a problem, though I'm going to physical therapy and the therapist there was really aggressive with bending my knee, essentially uh, raising my leg up and pushing, the ankle down with all his weight. Uh, I had tears in my eyes. It was painful, but he got it from like the range of 60 degrees. So straight leg would be 0, and I could go down 60, and he actually made it all the way to 90 by making me cry. Uh, the problem is when the leg swells again, it tightens up, and the range goes back to what it was, maybe like 10 to 30 degrees, very small. Also for I wrote +5, so I cannot straighten the leg fully, though I'm close to straightening it fully. So again, so the range has been my focus for the last week. So the strength, I mean, it's not great, of course, but I can do the basics. I can, raise my leg. I can do the knee extension with some pain, but still pretty good. Uh, so the stretching, essentially, I'm doing it on my own as well, and it hurts, but I guess you gotta do what you gotta do. Anyway, I'm working from home. Well, due to COVID, I was working from home anyway. Uh, but now it's really good. I don't think I could be physically at work because I work from home. I sit up in front of my computer and then I go lay down, put my legs up, for 5-10 minutes, check my email on the phone, things like that. Uh, I also started practicing slow, proper walking. Uh, what I mean proper, try to walk without a limp. So normally I'm limping around, but just trying to, step on your heel. So step on your heel, transfer the weight to your toes, lift the heel up, and push up to the next step. And do this with both legs. And I, for the first few times, I used a cane, or actually I used a crutch, but I used it as a cane just to help me with my balance. And so uh, I think like if I really concentrate, I can walk pretty good. I also try to walk up the stairs, like don't drag the leg behind me. Essentially, put the leg up. Uh, the leg is weak to take me up the stairs completely, but if I help with my hands, I can actually make a step up on the operated leg, which is also good. Uh, as for exercises, I wrote the sets here. Uh, so I do the elevated hill slides, 3 sets of 25, elevated quad sets, 3 sets of 20, standing knee extensions, supine knee extensions, leg raises, ankle pumps, and I also try to squeeze in all body workout. Well, maybe not every day, but every other day for sure. Sometimes every day. One thing was actually good, and I am working on being able to do this at the home, was a bicycle. So when I sit on a bicycle, I cannot do the full, circle with my legs, but I can do kind of half. So this is my operated leg, so I push with my left leg and kind of do half a circle and back, half a circle back. And that kind of, the leg can rest there, and I'm actually getting bigger, a better range of motion without too much effort. So bicycle is really good, and I am thinking about ordering a bicycle stand so that I can put my, road bike on the stand and just do these half a circle, and hopefully soon work up my way to the full circle. And once I get to full circle, then I can essentially bicycle, maybe check my phone for messages, watch TV while bicycling, all those things. Just keep the knee moving and trying to extend the range of motion. I think it's very critical. Anyway, summarize, progress is not as good as I was hoping for, but still things are getting better. Swelling is the worst thing. If one thing I could fix, that would be the swelling. If once the swelling is gone or reduced at least, I think I'll be able to do much more stuff. All right, that's it for the status update, and I'll make the exercises soon. Talk to you later. Oh, come on.